Chapter 6 Linear Inequalities. You have already studied about linear equations of one variable as well as two variables. Now, in linear inequalities, we are going to study about inequalities with one variable as well as inequality with two variables. Now here, instead of putting equality sign in the and making a linear equation, instead there will be sign of inequality like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So according to the real and algebraic expressions, the inequality can be formed as two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by the symbol less than, greater than, less than and equal to, or greater than or equal to form an inequality. These are few of the linear equations expressed as inequality forms. The first one is ax plus by plus c less than 0. Next is ax plus by plus c less than or equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c greater than 0. Ax plus by plus c greater than or equal to 0. The most important thing over here in this concept is identifying the less than and greater than sign. If these two signs you are able to identify it easily, then finding the solution becomes easy. So in the whole of the chapter, we are going to calculate the value of x by using the inequality. Beginning with exercise 6.1, it is given that solve 24x less than 100 when x is a natural number, and second point is when x is an integer. Natural number means it starts from 1 till infinity. Integer means positive, negative and 0. So solving this inequality will be same as solving the linear equations. Like 24x is less than 100. As only one variable is there, so this equation is called to be linear inequality with one variable. So 24 is taken the other side. We get here x is less than 100 by 24. Converting it in the decimal, we get x is less than 4.17. Now if x is less than 4.17, the first case is in natural number, then it will take only the values 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4.17 is there, so 4 can be taken up. If it is taking the value in integers, as x is less than 4.17, so the left hand side of all this of 4.17 we have to take it. So the left side of 4.17 becomes all the negatives 0, 1, 2, 3 till 4. So when it is x is belonging to the integers, this is going to be the solution of x. Second one given here is solve minus 12x greater than 30 when x is a natural number and second is x is an integer. Now minus 12x is greater than 30. Shifting 12 the other side, we get minus x greater than 30 by 12. Cancellation will give us minus x is greater than 5 by 2 Now if negative sign is shifted the other side, the sign of the inequality changes. This is one of the rule of inequality. So we are shifting negative sign the other side. So it becomes x is less than minus 5 by 2. Now minus 5 by 2 means minus 2.5. X is less than minus 2.5. That means x is taking all the negative numbers. So when calculating the solution of x in natural number, it will be null set because natural number does not consist of any negative numbers. If it belongs to the integers, then all the integer less than minus 2.5 will be from the minus infinity, minus 5, minus 4 and minus 3. So x is lying towards the left of minus 2.5, hence till minus 3 all the integers can be taken up. Now the third one, again it is same, just we need to calculate the values over here as taking up like 5x minus 3 is less than 7. If 5x minus 3 is less than 7, calculating for x, shifting minus 3 the other side, so 7 minus 3, that will make it 7 plus 3, 10. So 5x is less than 10. Shifting 5 the other side becomes 10 divided by 5. So x is less than 2. Now it is said here that x takes an value in integer or x is a real number. Now x is less than 2 means in integers all the negatives minus 3, minus 1, 0 and 1. We cannot take 2, reason equality sign is not there. So till 1 we can take it, we cannot take 2. When it is in the real numbers, we cannot put a particular or specific integers in this form. We have to express it in the form of intervals. So as x is less than 2 means towards left side, it will be taking minus infinity to 2. Whenever we are writing the infinity part, whether it is minus infinity or plus infinity, always we keep a open interval towards infinity. But as equality sign is not there over here, so 2 is not included, hence at 2 also it becomes open interval. So when x is a real number, the solution lies in open interval minus infinity to 2. Fourth one, it is solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2 when x is an integer, x is a real number. So we have taken here 3x plus 8 greater than 2. Shifting 8 the other side, it becomes minus 8. It will be just solved the way you used to solve the equation and calculating the value of x. But instead of equality sign, the inequality sign is to be kept. So solving it, we'll get 3x greater than minus 6, x is greater than minus 2. Now if x is greater than minus 2, all the greater number lies towards right hand side. So when we take it up, the integers, when x belongs to z means integers, then we need to take all the integers which are more than minus 2. So integers more than minus 2 will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and it will be till the positive infinity. When it takes up x belongs to R, then as equality sign is not there, we have to keep open interval towards -2, and it is taking all the positive values. RHS side of -2 means till the positive infinity. So it will be open interval -2 to infinity. Towards the sign of the infinity, we have to always keep open interval. So whenever it is belonging to real number, we need to express it in the form of interval, because real number consists of real, irrational, rational, integers and natural numbers. Hence we have to express it in terms of interval. Now fifth one given is 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7, x belongs to R. Only we have to calculate for the real number. So solving it just same as equation, shifting 4x the other side, so it becomes 5x minus 4x, plus 7 shifting this side becomes 3 minus 7, that is minus 4, and 5x minus 4x becomes x. This indicates that x is greater than minus 4, or we can say minus 4 is less than x. So x is taking up all the numbers towards the right hand side of minus 4. So minus 4 will be taken up in the open interval, as equality sign is not there, till infinity, because x is taking the value greater than minus 4. Now the sixth one is 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. Again it is to be calculated for x belongs to R. Solving it just similar to the way we used to solve the equation. 3x is shifted the other side, so we get 5x minus 3x, and minus 1 shifted the other side becomes 1 minus 7 greater than 5x minus 3x. 1 minus 7 is minus 6 greater than 2x. Shifting to the other side, we get minus 6 divided by 2 greater than x becomes minus 3 greater than x. So we can say that minus 3 greater than x means x is less than minus 3. So it will be lying towards the left hand side of minus 3. Left side of minus 3 are all negative numbers. If you just plot it in number line and find it out, hence we have to take it open interval minus infinity to minus 3. Open interval towards minus 3 means equality sign is not there, so minus 3 is not included. So this is how the interval is expressed when x is belonging to R. Seventh one is 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3, x belongs to R. To solve this inequality, we need to open the bracket both the sides. So it becomes 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. Taking minus 3 the other side becomes plus 3. Shifting 2x the other side becomes 3x minus 2x less than or equal to 3 minus 6 makes it minus 3. So 3x minus 2x gives x less than or equal to minus 3. That means x is lying towards the left hand side of minus 3. So it will take all the negative values including minus 3. Why? Because equality sign is there. Hence the interval expressed over here is minus infinity, open interval minus infinity to minus 3 close interval. Eighth one is also almost same as seventh. the procedure is and the method is the same. So taking up the inequality and opening the bracket both the sides, we get 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. Now shifting minus 3x the other side and 2 the other side, we get 6 minus 2 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2, 2x is x. So 4 is greater than or equal to x, we got it. So x is lying towards the left hand side of 4, which consists of all the negative till 4. 4 is to be taken up as equality sign is there. Now whenever we are shifting the either side, we make sure that the coefficient of x remains positive. So looking at the positive coefficient of x, we have to decide which term is to be shifted which side. Here 3 was negative and 2 is also negative, but 3 is greater than 2. So shifting minus 3x the other side, it will make x as positive. So this is how we need to shift the terms. Ninth one given is x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. Again x belongs to R. So here as the fractions are given, we need to take it out the LCM. The LCM of all the three terms will be 6. So it becomes 6x plus 3x plus 2x whole divided by 6 less than 11. Adding the numerator, it gives us 11x by 6 less than 11. Shifting the other side, so it becomes x less than 11 into 6 divided by 11. So we get x less than 6. Now as x is less than 6, all the negative numbers we have to take it, because x is lying towards the left hand side of 6. So the interval form becomes minus infinity to 6, and it will be open interval as the equality sign is not there. Towards the infinity always we need to keep the open interval. Here 6 is not included in x, so we have kept open interval for 6 also. 10th one is, again it is given fraction values. So before we start solving, we need to take it out the LCM. So we get it here as x by 3 greater than x plus 2 divided by 2. Going for cross multiplication, we get 2x greater than 3x plus 2. Opening the bracket, we get 2x greater than 3x plus 6. Now here we have shifted 3x the other side. So we got here 2x minus 3x greater than 6. So minus x is greater than 6. Now to make the coefficient of x positive, we will shift negative the other side. And as negative is shifted the other side, the sign of inequality will change. So shifting negative with 6, we will get x less than minus 6. Now if x is less than minus 6, it takes all the negative values towards left of minus 6. And as equality sign is not there, we need to express it in terms of open interval minus infinity to minus 6. 11th one, again the fraction values are given both the side. So taking up the cross multiplication, the very first step, we get 3 into 3 as 9, 5 into 5 as 25. Opening the bracket, we get 9x minus 18 less than or equal to 50 minus 25x. Shifting minus 25x the other side, and minus 18 towards RHS, we get 9x plus 25x less than or equal to 50 plus 18. That makes it 34x less than or equal to 68. X is less than or equal to 68 by 34. And x is less than or equal to 2. So x is lying towards left hand side of 2. So it will take all the negative and 2 as equality sign is there. So open interval towards minus infinity and close interval towards 2. So the final answer becomes minus infinity to 2 close. 12th one is taking out the LCM inside the bracket, we get 3x plus 20 divided by 5. 3 remains outside as it is. By taking the cross multiplication, we got this 3 and 2 is multiplied here, so we got 2. So the very first step, it is being done by taking 3 here and 2 the other side and taking the LCM in the bracket. So taking 5 the other side becomes 10. Opening the bracket, 9x plus 60, multiplying 3 with both. And here 5 into 2 we got 10 and x minus 6. So 9x plus 60 greater than or equal to 10x minus 60 after opening this bracket. Now shifting 9x the other side so that the coefficient of x remains positive. Minus 60 the other side becomes 120 greater than or equal to x. Now x is less than 120 means it is lying towards left hand side of 120. So it will be taking all the negative numbers till 120 as the close interval. Reason is equality sign is there. Hence the interval or the solution of x lies from minus infinity to 120 close. 13th one, opening the bracket as the first step, we get 4x plus 6 minus 10 towards the LHS less than 6x minus 12. Solving 6 and minus 10, we get 4x minus 4 less than 6x minus 12. Shifting 4x the other side and minus 12 the other side, we get 12 minus 4 less than 6x minus 4x. 8 is less than 2x. So finally shifting to the other side, we get 4 is less than x or x is greater than 4. If x is greater than 4, x takes all the value towards the right hand side of 4. Hence it lies in the open interval 4 to infinity. As the equality sign is not there, hence both the side the interval will be open. 14th one, opening the bracket, we get here 37 minus 3x minus 5 and towards the right hand side becomes, so that is greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x plus 24. Minus minus will make it plus. 37 and minus 5 will make it 32 minus 3x greater than or equal to x plus 24. Now shifting 24 the other side and minus 3x the other side, we get 32 minus 24 greater than or equal to x plus 3x. So 32 minus 24 is 8 greater than or equal to 4x. So 8 divided by 4 greater than or equal to x, that makes it 2 greater than or equal to x. That means x is less than or equal to 2. So if x is lying towards left hand side of 2, it will take all the negative values till 2. 2 will be included here as equality sign is there. So the final solution becomes minus infinity to 2 close. Now 15th one is given in the form x by 4 less than 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. The very first step for solving this will be LCM. Now LCM towards the right hand side will be 15. So it will be x by 4 less than 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3 divided by 15. So x by 4 less than, open the brackets, so 25x minus 10 will be there by opening this bracket, and minus 21x plus 9 when the second bracket is being opened. So x by 4 less than 25x minus 21 will make it 4x minus 1 divided by 15. Now going for the cross multiplication, we get 15x less than 16x minus 4. 15 is multiplied with x, 4 is multiplied with 4x minus 1. Now shifting 15x the other side and minus 4 on the other side, we will get 4 is less than 16x minus 15x. So 4 is less than x. As 4 is less than x means x is greater than 4. Therefore, x will take all the positive values which are more than 4. And as equality sign is not there, so it will take open interval 4 to infinity.